Today on Long Island TV, we're at Long Island's first ever casino, hotel, and entertainment center, ready to relax, dine, and win big. So let's go check it out. Today we are at Jake's 58, which is the first and only casino hotel on Long Island. There are over 200 rooms with a variety of different suites for a more luxurious experience or a romantic getaway. There's also a variety of different packages like the stay and play, stay and dine, and different holiday and seasonal promotions throughout the year. Jake's has over 1,000 of your favorite casino games, like slot machines, and even electronic table games like blackjack and three-card poker. Bistro 58 is Jake's premier bar and restaurant with signature dishes like this chicken sandwich and pan-seared filet. There's different specials and live music throughout the week, so make sure you're always staying up to date on their website. All guests here have an opportunity to sign up for a free Players Club membership with Jake's. And I'm here with the president and CEO of Suffolk OTB, Phil Boyle, who's going to tell us a little bit about the benefits and rewards you can get for being a Players Club member.
So one of the advantages of becoming a Players Club member is that you get points every time you play here. I mean, you can reach different tiers, different levels. When you're a member of the Players Club, and by the way, it's free to join, most importantly, you can earn points and rewards and the gaming floors, in the casino, and in our bistro dining area. It's a great way to go. Most importantly, perhaps, is the fact that when you're a member of the Players Club, you're eligible for some big wins. We have special giveaways and promotions every month just for those player clubs. For example, last year, we gave away 2 Cadillac Escalades to members of our Players Club. I think we're going to give away a high-end Audi and another couple vehicles. If you're a member of the Players Club, you can get some big rewards.
Take a break from playing and stop at one of the 3 bars at Jake's for a specialty cocktail like this Long Island Peach Iced Tea. This place is awesome right now just as it is, but they have plans to make it bigger and better. With their new renovations coming, they're going to expand the whole casino, add over 1,000 games, and different amenities like the spa and full parking garage. So for updates and promotions, make sure you check their website, jakes58.com, and for all things Long Island, make sure you follow us on all of our social channels, and check out our website, discoverlongisland.com. See you next time! 1,000 unique gaming machines, like, and your, wait, if you think Jake's is awesome, no. If you think Jake's is awesome right now, there's different specials. All right, I got it this time. Live music throughout the week, so make sure you're always